In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off and hide Discord game activity. If you've ever noticed Discord showing what you're currently playing under your name, that's your game activity status. It can be handy for friends who want to join you, but if you prefer a little more privacy, you can turn it off in just a few seconds. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start inside Discord and look down to the bottom left corner of the window, right next to your username and avatar. There's a small gear icon there. This is your user settings. Click that to open your personal settings panel. Don't worry, you're not changing anything server-wide. This only affects your own account preferences. Once the settings panel is open, find the section called Activity Privacy in the left sidebar. This is where Discord groups the controls related to what apps and games it detects and shares. Click Activity Privacy to open the page with the status sharing options. On the right, you'll see a switch labeled Share My Activity. Go ahead and turn that switch off. The moment you disable it, Discord will stop detecting and broadcasting your current game or application in your status. That Now Playing line beneath your name will no longer appear to friends, in DMs, or across servers. The change typically takes effect right away and carries across the desktop app and the browser version when you're signed in. A quick note on what this setting does and doesn't do. Turning off Share My Activity only controls the automatic playing or using status that Discord detects from your apps and games. It doesn't change your general online presence. People can still see if you're online, idle, or do not disturb, depending on your status. It also doesn't replace a custom status you set manually. If you've typed your own status message, that will continue to show exactly as you wrote it. If you're using features like rich presence in certain games, disabling this switch prevents those detailed game updates from appearing to others. And if it looks like nothing changed immediately, give it a moment. Discord usually syncs quickly across devices. That's really all there is to it. Click the gear icon at the bottom left, go to Activity Privacy, and turn off Share My Activity. With that switch off, your gameplay stays private, and you're in full control of what people see. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord with a little extra peace of mind.